when Black Panther 2 will reportedly start filming? The Marvel Cinematic Universe is in a unique place right now. The interim period between phases has been prolonged thanks the delay of Black Widow, while the studio is working on a ton of projects for both the small and silver screens. One movie that fans are especially curious about is Ryan Coogler's Black Panther, which faces a new set of challenges following the unexpected death of Chadwick Boseman. And now we have an idea regarding when the mysterious sequel may start filming. The first Black Panther movie was a game changer for both the MCU and film world in general. It broke ground with black talent both in front and behind the camera, and earned a whopping 6 Oscar nominations, winning 3. While it was previously announced that late actor Chadwick Boseman won't be replaced as T'Challa within the MCU, we may know when the sequel is expected to start filming, June 2021. This latest update comes to us from The Wrap, with the outlet sourcing an unnamed Marvel insider. While this date is still unconfirmed by the studio itself, it's an exciting report that seemingly indicates that plans are being made to continue the Black Panther franchise. Next June isn't all that far away, so writing, casting, and other aspects of the development stage have to kick into full gear. The reported filming date for next summer makes a great deal of sense, especially if Marvel Studios still intends on releasing Black Panther 2 in July of 2022. This would give editors and visual effects artists ample time to complete the project once production wraps. We'll just have to see if this shooting window is confirmed and see how Ryan Coogler will dive back into Wakanda without his leading man. Given how much the first Black Panther movie meant to people, all eyes are on how the story will continue on without Chadwick Boseman's T'Challa. The studio not recasting will honor the late actor's legacy, and the narrative possibilities are seemingly endless. There are a variety of characters who could take on the mantle and rule Wakanda, including Shuri, M'Baku, and Okoye. We'll just have to wait and see who suits up in that vibranium suit next. Chadwick Boseman's Black Panther made his debut in Captain America: Civil War and quickly became a fan-favorite character. He went on to appear in 3 more movies, his solo flick and both Avengers: Infinity War and Endgame. What's more, Boseman's T'Challa will get one more appearance in the animated What If show on Disney+. The next installment in the MCU is Black Widow on 7th May 2021.